Are you looking a secure, reliable networking solution to back up your business data and improve the overall transaction experience? Introducing Billions M2M 3G and 4G LTE router services, supporting failover, failback, Dual-WANs, and robust VPN encryption that can meet all POS, ATM, kiosk, chain stores, and retail shops' connectivity requirements. With a broad range of operating temperature, M100 has passed the UL Class 1 Division 2 certification, making the unit ignition and explosion-proof during the fire and explosive hazard scenarios. When M100's primary WAN interface fails, the secondary WAN interface instantly backs up the connection to ensure a seamless link between the E1 and 3G, 4G wireless interfaces. Any solution suitable for chain stores and retail shops? BiPAC 8920NZ and BiPAC 8920NZ are two outstanding dual-SIM 3G, 4G LTE embedded VADSL plus wireless-in VPN routers, allowing users to insert two 3G, 4G LTE SIM cards, switching between two operators. The routers are integrated with the 11N and DSL broadband, featuring a downstream speed up to 300 megabit per second, and providing an uninterruptible connectivity with failover, failback between A VDSL and 3G, 4G LTE. You will receive a notification when the disconnection occurs. Supporting multiple VPN protocols, all credit card and stocks information can be securely processed between stores' EPOS, company's headquarters, and credit card authorization agency through Billions routers. Store owners will not have to worry about data loss or tampering while making a transaction. Billion, your new one-stop networking modem of choice.